Journey to the North Pole, it's a unique project because in one place we combine the actors, we combine the 360-degree projection on the walls, we combine the amazing holograms, hologram of Santa, hologram of the snowman, and this is where the kids are able to interact and be inside of the cartoon movie and just get amazing experience of the magic and the trip to the North Pole. With the collaboration of Epson, we're able to deliver the hologram Santa in a unique way. It's important to have very high quality projectors in our project. When we're using the Epson projectors, actually it's delivering all the brightness of the picture because we are creating the content for the kids and they love to have and see the bright and colorful pictures. For us, it was quite important to be sure that these projectors will be able to work 12 hours, 7 days in a week.
When putting together an experience like this, you write out a criteria list which includes reliability, brightness, resolution, ease of installation, and I'm happy to say that the Epson projectors ticked all the boxes. The feedback from Magic Innovations on the projectors was amazing. They were really impressed with the brightness and the color image from the projectors. When you have an immersive installation like this, you want to engage with your audience and create a rich experience. Epson utilize in their projectors 3LCD technology, which allows them to have a very wide color gamut, which enables them to reproduce the colors very, very true, lifelike and vivid. In this immersive installation, we have used 7 EBL 20,000U projectors, which means the attention to detail and the detail that you see in the imagery is very, very crisp and clean. They also use laser projectors, which make them very, very reliable. And in an installation like this, which is happening 12 hours a day, reliability is very, very, very important.
When we're using the Epson projectors, actually it's delivering all the brightness of the picture because we are creating the content for the kids and they love to have and see the bright, colorful pictures. And this is what the Epson delivered perfectly.